Do you think that your cooking oil could be a source of disease and excess weight? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the role of fats in our diet and some of the myths that revolve around how fats are being marketed and given so much negative propaganda. They have been damned time and time again when it comes to weight loss industry. More importantly, we live in a culture of fat-free everything. Fat-free milk, fat-free yogurts, fat-free everything. And that is something which is not sustainable. See, nature likes balance. Same goes for our body. Our body needs nutrition in balance. We need healthy amount of proteins, healthy amount of carbohydrates, and healthy amount of fats. Fats are an essential ingredient of a healthy body. They form a part of the cell membrane. They are required for brain function. They are required for production of many hormones in the body. And very importantly, they are required for vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. And most importantly, they have an anti-inflammatory role in our body. However, when we are constantly bombarded by the media that says everything should be fat-free and you got to cut out fats if you want to be maintaining your healthy weight, it sends a wrong message. So in this video, I want to essentially take a deep dive into this subject and give you my top 3 recommendations on what you can do today to cut out some of those unhealthy fats and introduce some of the healthy fats by way of cooking oils, which is something that does not ever get touched upon. So just to give you a brief overview, when we are looking at a source of oil, a cooking oil in specific, we should not just be guided and making a decision based on the source, because what is very important is the processing that oil has to go through. Take for example, soybean, canola, safflower, or refined vegetable oils. They all have to go through a solvent extraction process, which requires the use of this chemical called hexane, which is a petroleum derivative. And beyond this, the oil has to go through a process of bleaching, dewaxing, cleaning, and also flavoring, all of which leads to significant chemical residues in the oil, which eventually gets consumed by us. This is a big source of disease and inflammation in the body. We also need to keep into perspective that these oils, if they are left open or if they are heated again and again, as happens in many cafes and restaurants, they turn rancid, they become oxidized and create more free radicals in the body, which leads to disease, inflammation, and metabolic syndrome, which is what is a precursor of type 2 diabetes. My top 3 recommendations about cooking oils will start with, first, what is it that you need to get rid of? If you have oils such as refined vegetable oils, safflower oils, soybean oils, canola, or margarine, I would urge you to get rid of that immediately because of the reasons that I've just explained to you. The process of refinement creates a significant burden on your body when it is consumed. The next recommendation is for cooking oils, and the one after that is for oils that you can drip on your food. When it comes to cooking oils, this is because of the high smoke point of these oils, which means they do not turn toxic when they are heated. Oils such as avocado oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, macadamia nut oil or walnut oil, and also very importantly ghee or clarified butter, which has been used for centuries in the Eastern traditions, is really good. Why? Because it has got a high smoke point, and the extraction process of these oils is favorable, that it does not lead significant toxin residues. When it comes to oils that you can use to drip on your food, I recommend using extra virgin olive oil, flaxseed oil, hemp seed oil, which is a great form of salad dressings, and you can even drip it on your toasts when you're having your breakfast. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do share it with your family and friends. And once again, make sure to subscribe to my channel.